Your Toyota windshield wiper fluid not spraying. A cut or broken windshield washer hose is a common issue. You can find the other end of the cut hose from this side of the car. I ordered this kit, which includes extra hose and multiple connectors, to fix this problem. Cut a small piece of the broken hose to make a straight edge. Then insert the connector. Tape the hose to a long wire or stick and fish the hose up and through the car's sidewall. Remove the tape. In the other end of the hose, cut a small piece off to make a straight edge. Connect the hose. I have affiliated a link to the hose kit used in the video description. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.